How are you doing? Someone smells really good. No, no.
Hey guys, let me know if you can hear me. Hey, trillion dollar goddess. I hope I can ring a bell. All right, I'm right outside the courthouse. We're on lunch. The prosecution has already completed their opening statement on the ASAP Rocky trial. I talked to about 6 people after the opening statement, and they all said, and they're in support of Rocky. They all said that they were worried, and that is because after the prosecution presented all of their evidence, they said that the defense is going to present the argument that he was using a starter pistol or a prop gun, but it's already been a little bit damning because we've seen the location of the shooting, which is a well traveled area, a touristy area. So you're thinking of women and children, you're thinking of tourism, you're thinking of families, and 4 men fighting with guns. Let's see what else we've got here. They talk about the 911 call coming in at 10:18. The prosecution does. They talk about ASAP stands for Always Strive and Prosper, founded in Harlem in 2005. There are a lot of members of the ASAP conclave, but we're really focusing on Rocky Relly, who's the alleged victim, Ills, who is a friend. He's Elijah Ulanger. I think he's going to testify. 12V, Jamel Phillips, I believe he's going to testify. And then Bari, a.k.a. Young Lord. You can see behind me, this is the courthouse. They may come out here shortly, but they always enter and exit here for sure. But we're on about an hour and a half lunch break. Anyway, the day of the shooting, Relly is in the car with Bari, supposedly. Bari gets a call from Rocky. Relly overhears Rocky say, F that, and some other things. Now, later on, Relly is asleep. While he's asleep, he gets 8 missed calls and some text messages. He gets an aggressive message from Rocky basically saying, stop ducking my calls. Let's go get to it. Where you at? So, on this night, Relly and Rocky agree to meet up. Relly thinks they're brothers. They're going to get into some type of confrontation. They're going to have it out. They're going to fight like brothers do, according to the prosecutor, and make up. That doesn't happen. The prosecutor, these sessions, these confrontations, they're caught on video. There are 2 of them, and we clearly see in the first one Rocky with a gun. Now, the defense is saying that that's a prop gun, and allegedly, we're going to hear testimony that he's known to travel with a prop gun or a starter pistol. All right. Now, Relly had some injuries to his knuckle. They showed it to us on the screen, and it's just small injuries, small wounds. But that's not even relevant for this case. It's the fact that Rocky allegedly had a gun and pulled the trigger, and shots were fired. That's all that's at issue at this case. Now, what's really important is the fact that that night at about 10:27, the police responded to 2 911 callers. They went out. It's dark. They're searching the area. Nobody's really talking to them. The 911 callers don't want to talk to them. Hold on. I've got a question. Didn't really supposedly go back there. I'm getting to it. Boom. So it's at 10:27, they get the call. The police are supposedly doing the best that they can. I believe them. And they can't find anything. Relly supposedly goes back with his girlfriend because he knows the area where the events took place, and recovered 2 magazines, or was it 2 casings? The next day, he texts a friend and says he wants to get money out of Rocky. And he's texting Rocky saying, I can't believe you tried to take me from my daughter. Rocky's like, hey, quit lying on me. The next day after that, so that's 2 days later, Relly goes and turns in these 2 casings. So that's where we are right now. Let me know what you think.
Didn't go to lunch. He's not going to lunch. Probably working through the lunch hour.
I guess they're going to get lunch somewhere else. All right, if you guys have any questions, let me know. I'll post what I have this evening. All right, guys. Signing out.